Welcome to S-Mobile, your go-to destination for the latest in mobile tech. Today, we're diving into a powerful upcoming smartphone that's making serious waves in the industry, the Nokia Maze Ultra 2025. With premium specs, a bold design, and a focus on performance, this phone might just mark Nokia's big return to the flagship arena. Design and display. The Nokia Maze Ultra 2025 features a sleek, futuristic design with curved edges and a glass metal body. It's expected to sport a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with 4K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals and smooth scrolling, perfect for gamers and media lovers. Performance powerhouse. Under the hood, the Maze Ultra is rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. Whether it's multitasking, gaming, or heavy app use, this device is built for speed and efficiency. Camera capabilities. Nokia is raising the bar with a quad rear camera setup, including a massive 200 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, a 32 megapixels telephoto, and a TOF 3D sensor. The front camera may feature a 64 megapixels shooter housed under the display, offering a clean, notch-less look and high-quality selfies. Battery and charging. Powering all this is a huge 8,900 mAh battery, supported by 120W fast charging and wireless charging options. With such capacity, you can expect all-day usage and lightning-fast top-ups when needed. Software and features. Running on Android 15, the Maze Ultra is expected to offer a near-stock experience with some added Nokia-exclusive features. It will also include 5G support, an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Expected price and launch date. While Nokia hasn't confirmed the official launch, leaks suggest a release in late 2025, with a price tag starting around $699. If these specs hold true, the Nokia Maze Ultra could become a serious contender in the premium smartphone market. Conclusion. The Nokia Maze Ultra 2025 looks like a game-changer, combining futuristic design with powerhouse specs. Stay tuned to S-Mobile for more updates and official announcements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Would you like a thumbnail or title idea for this video as well?